Hello, and welcome to my book review. Today, I'll be discussing the Mental Toughness Handbook by Damon Zahariades. Are you looking to develop mental toughness and the ability to handle life's challenges with resilience and poise? The Mental Toughness Handbook may be the book for you. The Mental Toughness Handbook is a self-help book that provides a step-by-step guide to developing mental toughness and the ability to handle adversity with courage and poise. The author covers a wide range of topics, including managing negative emotions, overcoming challenges, and developing a positive mindset. The book is divided into several chapters, each focusing on a different aspect of mental toughness. The author provides practical exercises and strategies to help readers develop mental toughness and build resilience. I found the Mental Toughness Handbook to be a valuable and practical resource. The book provides a wide range of strategies and exercises for developing mental toughness, and the step-by-step format makes it easy to follow and implement. However, I did feel that the book could have benefited from a more in-depth exploration of the psychological and emotional aspects of mental toughness. I would recommend the Mental Toughness Handbook to anyone looking to develop mental toughness and the ability to handle life's challenges with resilience and poise. I'd give it a 4 out of 5 stars. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.